What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to make this video for you guys on a different revenue source. So I've been hitting the Cash App videos pretty heavy over the last couple of days, or like the last 2 weeks or so here, whatnot, and I just wanted to give you guys another way that you can make some decent money. And the best part about this method is, long as you can put products inside of a box and you got a phone, you can literally make thousands of dollars doing this, and you don't have to worry about shipping products out, every single day. You just put everything in a box, and then Amazon is going to take care of everything. But I'll get into that in a second here. So as you guys can see, $53,798 has been made with this account since I started it last year, and I haven't done anything with this account in over a year. So it's been a very long time since I've done anything with this account here. So I'm about to get it started back up. As you guys can see, this is a screenshot from a few minutes ago. It's 465% up in the last 7 days. Like I said, I legit have not done anything with this account in a while. It's legit been over a year. Like, I haven't had a day where I just went out and just did some really hardcore retail arbitrage or anything like that. And again, a very long time. So it's almost Q4 here. So we're about to get started, and basically show you guys that you can take an account from, again, doing a little bit of money to doing quite a bit of money. So we're going to get this account built back up to literally making $1,000 every single month. So yeah, as you guys see, again, $1,000 in the last 7 days. That's not all profit or anything along those lines, but again, you guys get the point here. Let's say in the next 2 or 3 weeks here, you can be making an additional $500 a week if you actually do this method, and you just constantly just keep doing it. All right. So yeah, $300 is that magic number. You guys see a lot of campaigns, that I do, and I start off with $300. $300 is pretty accessible. If you have like $1,000, you're golden. By next month, that could easily be $2,000 or $3,000 in profit just from $1,000, and it's guaranteed as well. But make sure that's disposable money. Don't put your rent money or anything like that into any opportunity. Like, there's always risk involved, so don't do that. All right, but before I get into this here, you can go and just type in Team DeAngelo Amazon, and then you can just start finding all the videos that I did with this here. You guys can see all the videos, like literally documenting everything, me going out into the stores, me going and selling video games, me selling literally all type of stuff here. All right, and then if you are doing CPA marketing, this is also a good video to watch right here. So on the same page, it's when I made $34,000 in 28 days with Trash Bounty. Yeah, they definitely trash. They stole $2,000 from you or whatever, and I made a video talking about that stuff as well or whatever. But anyway, the information is good there. You can just use the information on the Oryx network instead of Trash Bounty or whatnot. All right, so let's jump right into this here. So basically, like I said before, all you have to do is be able to put a product inside of a box, and you can make thousands of dollars doing this here. So as you guys can see on this app here, you got this little app with this little camera icon. So the best part about this Amazon app is that you don't have to guess if a product is going to sell. You don't have to guess how many sellers there are. You don't have to guess how many other people are doing the same exact thing. You don't have to guess about any of that, because all the data is right in front of you. You know how much money you're going to make when it sells. You're going to know how much it costs to ship. All of that. You got the calculator right in the back. So as soon as you type in, this, let's say the product is $50 and all your total cost is $20, with shipping, product cost, everything is going to tell you in the back office your profit is going to be $30. So it literally does everything for you in the back, in the little camera, in the dashboard settings or whatnot. But you guys get the point. Right? All you got to do is scan, and it literally tells you everything. You can scan the face of the product. You can scan the barcode. I always recommend just a barcode because if you scan the face, it might not come up. But if it doesn't have a barcode, then you got to scan the face, or type in the name of the product. But anyway, once you click it, again, it's going to tell you how much you're going to make when you sell it. So if you go to the store, let's say you go to the Walmart clearance section, you see a product in there that's $5, maybe some toy or something, right? And you see it selling on Amazon for $50, you're like, oh, sweet, after all fees, I'm walking away with $40, right? Not bad at all. But there are some catches to selling over on Amazon. Like I said, the pros, fantastic. You don't have to worry about anything. Like, once you put all of your products in a box, you just put a label on them, literally put them all in the box, and then you take that box to UPS. From there, you don't have to worry about anything. Amazon will handle all the customer service. Amazon will handle sending the products out. Amazon will handle the returns. Amazon does everything. So you don't have to do literally nothing. You don't got to do a goddamn thing. Like literally nothing. It's fantastic. It's wonderful. But the bad part about Amazon taking care of everything is that Amazon is taking care of everything. So in their eyes, their customers can do no wrong. So if you shop on Amazon and you never worked for Amazon and you've never been a seller for Amazon, you're going to get a rude awakening real quick when it comes to being a seller over here. You do not count any money that's not in your bank account when it comes to selling over on Amazon. I don't care what anyone says. Do not count it because Amazon might randomly freeze your account. Just like that. Just freeze it. Just because they can. You know, do some imaginary investigation or something like that. You see it all the damn time where all the stories, people accounts got shut down because some piece of shit wanted a $2 box of cereal for free. Like legit. Like stuff like that because they'll be like, oh, there was cocaine or there was drugs or there was roaches or some type of shit inside the box of cereal. Just so they can get it for free. First class pieces of shit. But hey, so yeah, they'll ruin somebody's whole income source solely just to get, again, something for free like that. It's mind-blowing. Then you got to go through a whole process of trying to get your account back and doing this back and forth stuff. And it's just, yeah, like I'm telling you guys, it doesn't matter how much money you're making either. I've seen big accounts literally making millions of dollars, shut down. $100,000, shut down. Making $10, shut down. Like, it does not matter. So keep that in mind as well. You do not count the money until it actually hits your bank account. Another negative over here is that, let's say again, you find a product in the clearance section at Walmart, and you're like, okay, sweet, you know, if I send this into Amazon, I'm gonna make $40 in profit, right? But a lot of people who go and sell over on Amazon, they're not business owners. So this is one of the, like, if you guys go back and watch the older videos, you'll see me just a little frustrated on this topic here because I didn't understand. Like, this was the first time I've ever been in a business where the people who was in that business choose to lose money. Like, it wasn't even because they lost money because they wanted to. I mean, because they had to. Like, if you start a CPA campaign, you have to lose money. You have to spend money on Facebook ads. You have to spend money on traffic. I mean, on software. You have to spend money on your domain. You have to spend money on getting your website built. You have to hire developers. Like, there's cost to doing that, right? It makes sense to go into the red to see the green. But when it comes to selling on Amazon, it's like $40. It's not thousands, right? But these people will take a product that they spent $50 on and sell it for $20. And just literally just drive the price down into like to the gutter. Like, there's literally no way that anybody's making money on it. Then you have to wait for all those people to sell out. Then you have to wait. Wait for all the prices, basically all the people to sell out. Then you have to wait for it to go back up to you. All right. So yeah, basically with this whole $5 thing I was talking about, you have to wait basically until all these people, because you know, if it's on sale at your Walmart, odds are it's going to be on sale at someone else's Walmart, and then they have the same idea as you. Then they're like, oh, okay, well, I'll drop it down to $49. Then you have another person, well, I'll sell mine for $45. You have another person, well, I'll sell mine for $40. You have another person where I'll sell mine for $25. Then you have another person like, I'll sell mine for $15. You have another person, I'll sell mine for $10. And at this point, he spent $5. He probably spent, a few dollars for shipping, and then he got a few dollars in fees. So he literally lost money on this deal for selling it for $10. But they don't care. Like I said, that's one of the most mind-boggling things I've ever seen in any business ever. People who literally sell stuff for nothing. Like what was the point? Like, why are you even in this if you're not even trying to make money? It's just, I don't know. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna end it right there. You guys seen all the proof or whatever. I'm telling you, just go back and watch these videos here. You can just scroll back through the channel. You'll see all of the videos that I put on here. So it can definitely help you guys out. This is another way that you can make some extra money. So you can set up your PDF stuff with the Cash App, then have that going with the influencer marketing. Then you can do your website building, little business or whatnot. and basically have that going with your own time where you're messaging people and whatnot. And then you can also be doing this too. So you can go to Walmart, you can go to Target, you can go to any big box store. You can also do this online, buying big bulks from like eBay and stuff. But again, when it comes to selling over on eBay, when it comes to buying on eBay, you run into a lot of shit sellers. So I got like this one product that I buy from this dude religiously. Every time he's in, I buy up all this inventory. But for whatever reason, this dude literally takes like 5 to 8 days to ship the product out. I do not understand why, but he just takes forever to send out the product. Another thing that you're going to run into is when it comes to buying over on eBay is once you start purchasing quite a few things, they're going to ban your card for no reason. Like you're going to, like I said, when it comes to shopping on eBay, it's like legit. Like when it comes to like buying a lot of products and spending some good money over there, like they make it so damn difficult. You're going to have to go to Walgreens and buy cards. And I actually don't recommend buying any, gift cards for eBay. I actually lost $200 doing that if you didn't see that video or whatever. So basically, I got tired of trying to get these cards over and over and over and over and over, at Walmart, and, my cards kept getting banned and all this stuff. So I was like, I'll just use the good cards because that'll work 100% of the time. Yeah, that's not how that went at all, because then I found out that they had a limit on the how many gift cards you can add per month. So then from there, I was like, okay, I'll just add a gift card to another account, but it already got linked to another account. So they literally held my $200 gift card until like the very next month. Then I was able to use it. It was just, like I said, when it comes to shopping on eBay, it is such a fucking pain in the ass. Like, it is such a pain. Like, if I want to order something on Amazon, it's wonderful. It's great. I know I'm gonna get it. I know I'm gonna get a refund if there's a problem. Like I said, that's why people are paying the markup prices over on Amazon. Like everything that you see on eBay is normally way cheaper. Like you'll see $100 product on eBay that's selling for $300 on Amazon. You're like, why everybody isn't just going to eBay and buy it? Because there's just it's so much better shopping experience over on eBay that people will just pay the markup. They won't even bother going to eBay. Won't even bother looking around because they're just like, I know what I'm going to get here. I know I'm going to get my refund back if there's a problem. I know I'm going to get the product in 2 days. I know that everything's going to be taken care of versus going to eBay. You got to wait 5 days for dude to get it off his ass to actually ship out the product. Then you got to wait, another 5 days for you to get it. Like you would already had the product and then some, and ordered another couple items by the time you get the product from one seller over on eBay because they're just so damn lazy and won't just get the product shipped out right away. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm done ranting. Hopefully you guys take advantage of this information. And again, just go and look up Team DeAngelo Amazon, Team DeAngelo FBA, or just simply scroll back and you'll be able to see all the videos and me literally starting this campaign with $300, me going into the store, me doing the scanning, the whole 9 yards. So this is a very easy way that you guys take a little bit of money and turn it into quite a bit of money. This was also the money that I used to buy that SUV as well. So if you guys go back and watch the videos again, you'll see all of that. I bought an SUV with this money right here as well. So I'm telling you guys, this is a very, very, very easy way to make money. You scan it, it's going to tell you, hey, you're going to make $30 off this. You see at the store it costs $5. Okay, great, I'm going to send that in, right? It tells you how many other people are selling it. So if there's like 10, 20 sellers on there, to move on to the next product. Like, you don't have to guess at all. It's fantastic, But again, like I said, it is Amazon, so keep that in mind. All right, but the good thing again, is that once you send the products in, it's just going to do all the selling for you. Like I said, I haven't done anything in a whole year on this account, and it still made, like, just this year, I think it was like $13,000 that it made just this year alone. Like, and 40,000 of it came from when I was actually doing all the heavy lifting last year in like 8 months. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. That's pretty much it.